Everyone, welcome to PasseriRC channel. This video I'm showing you the upgraded version of my Wiking Porsche. Okay, it's a 187RC build. Okay, with my CNC micro CNC chassis kit. So I have some upgrade. I'm trying to do some color paint, okay, on the shield, and some decoration like the back color borders to make it more solid. Okay, so the light shield, the rear and the front is still the version 1, but it looks good, so I don't need to do modify. So what I do on the chassis is the front LED mount. So let me show you the interior. Okay, so this is what I do on the front LED mount. Okay, the bottom part I keeping the older version. Okay, the top part is the new one. Is just can install into the car and just like a hook to hold everything inside, and the rear part just the fit size to fit in the car canopy. Okay, let's see the light effect. Let me turn on my radio.
Welcome to OpenTX. Switch warning.
And I have upgraded and tried my first time to program the RX 45 version 5 to set up the F1 and F2 port to be some light. So I changed the P4 to be the fog light, the F1, no, sorry, the F2 to be high, low front and rear light. Let's see what happened now. Okay, let me show you a little bit more angle. So the F1 or F2 I have set it up for the front and rear lights like this. The low light, high light. Okay, there's like a 60% and 100%, and the fog light was the P4. Okay, if you're not turning on the F1 and 2, then you will use this channel for the front and rear light, and you need to hold it for 2 seconds to turn it on. So quite interesting that the one of the things I love Deltang RX is the light control is almost perfect and so easy to set up. Side like you see the low light and the high low, and you just set it up like any channel with 3 sessions switch. That's it. So I'm going to show you that which I didn't show much here before, is this left and right side indicator light. So okay, so I have made one LED mount here, like a stand here. You see the whole LED here. Okay, there's each side, left side and right side. Each side has got 3 pieces LED. Okay, now is the hazard light. The hazard light need to hold the left to the left for 2 seconds, and then 2 seconds for turn it off. Okay, The 0.5 second is the indicator. Okay, and see here at the rear there is the brakes light. Okay, and when I turn on the front and rear light, okay, there's a SAM 60 and 100%. It's the same. There's a LED mount to hold 8 LED here. So you see, okay, the brakes and the parking light. Okay, now go forward and backward. You see the parking lights here, and the left and right indicator. Turn right, turn left. Okay, so another thing I show you is the light show I make. The light show I make is okay, I measure and draw it with a 3D program. I use AutoCAD, okay, to make this light show. Okay, the looks is more like let me show you. Okay, this is the 3D pieces. Okay, I will consider to sell a set or one piece, two sets later on if people going to build that Porsche. I'm not sure this saying Porsche 199 or this 911. Sorry about that. 911 or 964. I don't know. I'm not sure. So maybe I need to do some more research and learn more things later on. So here is the rear light show. Okay, I want to talk about. Okay, this is the 3D printed. Okay, it works like this. Okay, like this. Let me show you more here. Okay, you see some pits and gaps here. I need to use a small piece of the black color plastic stuck into that pit to do the light divide works effect. You see, there's a black color plastic pieces, and you can see the light can be divided and bolted. So and the same at the front, the indicator and the fog light. Okay, let me show it larger, zoom it in. Sorry, I use my very cheap equipment. Okay, you see there's a black color plastic. Okay, and I'm going to talk about this, the black color plastic, where it's come from. You can take it from any Microsoft or just like that. Let me show you. Inside the chassis kit or experienced expert builder, they know they use this kind of servo. Okay, this kind of servo, they got the shell. Usually people will take out the back case. Okay, the back case, you need to keep it because this is very good to use, because when you're going to build some thing, some box, small box, or some stand, or some reinforcement or whips, you can use this one, cut a little bit, file it nice, and then use this kind of glue to glue it together to the car canopy, because this car canopy is by like the plastic. I don't know how to say in English, but it can glue by this very nice Japanese made glue. Okay, it got a very thin tips for you, like this, the thin tip. Okay, so you just cut small pieces. Okay, you can use this way to do your own light show, like Okay, before I have tried to make my light show with the like the original Wiking Porsche, that original light show. Okay, you see this light show. Okay, I just cut it and then use the very thin saw to saw the piece. Okay, this is the failed one. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, this is the failed one. Okay, brakes. Okay, so usually the car models, they come with the some real light, so it's as transparent colors. Okay, transparent. Okay, so you can do something on it with some pits with some black color plastic to divide and block some light. So if you got this kind of canopy of the surface piece, keep it. This is very good to use and it's almost like free. Okay, so let me show you the effect. Let me clean it up. Let me show you the effect of the car with the light and show you the construct of my car. Okay, so I got everything I need. Okay, the power switches, the recharge port, and I got something new parts leak here. If you know, then you know. Okay, if you don't know, please stay tuned. Okay, so just hook in. Okay, the light come out from this hose, and this will fit in. Okay, so now it's turned on already. Let me show you. Light, low, high, low, off, the fog light. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. The fog light, the light show with that black color plastic pieces to divide, so you can do very clear. Okay, indicator. Okay, let me zoom in. Sorry, this is a very long video. I hope you are not going to fall asleep. Okay, so you see at the side that pieces. Okay, I use the 3D pin to print a 0.6 mm diameter. The shell here. Okay, this is the rear light. So let me turn on. Okay, it's still really clear because I use that bad color pieces. Okay, so the brakes light, the parking light. Turn it on, turn it off. Okay, so the fog light, turn it off, and try again the front and rear light. High and low. Okay, so some part I think I need to improve because let me show you. You see the inside. Okay, the inside, the light blocking is doing not so well, so I might need to take out the rear wheel. Okay, rear wheel to put some more that color paint there to block some the lead light. This is in English. This is a lead light. Okay, please let me know. Okay, my English is poor. I hope this video is not boring enough. Okay, so this is what I made recently. What upgrade? So let's see. Okay, I try to drive a little bit. With this battery, I can drive for like 15 minutes. 15 minutes with 5 minutes recharge. So turn on the light and try turn. Okay, I decided the gearbox can small drive like this. Okay, or maybe can try to do some parking. Okay, try some parking. I got some cars here. Can I have one more piece? Where's my cars? Okay, also a Porsche. And I'm going to park in here. Okay, this is so funny. Okay, turn off the front light. Okay. Wow. Wow, for newbies is for newbies is already really accurate, right? Slowly. Okay, so I have my fun. Really, very fun night to do some improvement work and paying 187 RC. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this hobby too. So stay tuned for my next update. Okay, I got something new to release soon. Bye bye.